Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide a certain section or hide a certain block so that it won't be displayed to your visitors. So this feature is useful if sometimes you find that this section is you may need this section in future but not now. So instead of deleting this section and you have to recreate the section, what you can do is that you can choose to hide this section from appearing. So there are two methods of doing. I'll share with you these two methods in a short while. So the first method is that we are going to enter some CSS coding. The second method is install a plugin. So depending on which method you prefer. So let me share with you the first method. So for example, I will want to hide this section, what people are saying. I'm going to hide this section from my visitors. So I'm going to edit page and I will make sure that I will select the section over here. Okay, so this is the section. So with this section selected, I will on the right, if you don't see this right setting panel, just click on this icon and scroll down. You will see there's a setting called advanced. So expand the advanced tab and you will see there's a field called additional CSS classes. So you need to enter a name for this block. So for example, I will just use the word review. So I will just type in review and click save. So this CSS class for this block is called review. So now with this done, we are going to go back to the additional CSS. So go to appearance editor. Once you're on this page, click on styles and then click on this pencil icon over here to edit style. Once you're on this page on the right, you can see there's a more setting over here. Click on it and click on additional CSS. So what we are going to do right now is to enter the coding. So the coding is very simple. Just start with a full stop, then type in review, then space, open curly bracket, and you will also want to close the bracket first. And inside the bracket, you will just put in the CSS code called display none semicolon. So this is how it looks like. So I'll also paste in the code here in the description below, so you can just copy and paste. So I will just save it. So once I save it, and let's go back to the website and take a look. When I now scroll down, you will see that the what people say section is gone. Okay, it is gone from the front end of the web. So now let me share with you the second method. But first, let us show back the block first. Okay, go to the additional CSS. And remove the coding and click save. Okay, so once it's saved, go to pages, home. I also want to remove the block. Over here, advanced, scroll down, review, remove this, delete. Okay, so if you do not want to do the coding, CSS coding way, you can install a plugin, and the plugin name is called Spectra. So let's go to do this. Go to plugin, add new plugin, and search for Spectra. So once you search for Spectra, I've already installed the plugin, but I've not yet activated. So for you, you just install and then you activate this plugin. So I'm going to activate. So Spectra is a very powerful plugin that adds more functionality to your blocks when you are designing website using the Gutenberg editor. So now let us go back to the website, do a refresh, and now I'm going to edit the page again. So once I click edit the page, Make sure that you open up the document overview, click on the group. Okay, so I'm going to hide this. So once you click on this section and you scroll down on the right, under advanced, you expand again. You will see that this time round, you will have this responsive condition. This only appear after you install the Spectra plugin. So this is even more fine settings as compared to just now the CSS I shared with you, because you can control the display on desktop, tablet, and mobile. So for example, I only want this section to appear on desktop, so I will hide on tablet and hide on mobile. But if I want to hide this section for all the device, so I will just select this one, so it will hide in all device. Then I click save. After that, then I go back to my website again. Okay, and scroll down, you will see that the session is gone also. So these are the two ways of hiding a block or section in your WordPress website using coding and also using the plugin method. So if you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions area below. If not, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.